Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be ripping the motor, fenders, seat, and everything off this frame so that we can give it a quick paint job. We are going to be painting it this orange. Yes, that did not come out well. That is due to the fact that I did not prep it or anything. I just sprayed it quickly. But as you can see, this thing looks very rough. The tires are pretty good, but those forks are really bad. The rest of it's really not that bad. It's just black, but we'll give it a quick paint job. And it's almost October now, so it'll be nice and Halloween themed. Just started getting the bars all cleaned up, going from this to this. There's still some areas I do need to touch up quick, but it's getting there. I'm just using this little Milwaukee right angle. She's going. Basically, just gotta get this other part done, and I can get some primer and paint on these guys. Well, I started building a little bit of a suspension seat kind of thing here on the mini bike, but I've run into a problem where that bolt head is too big. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to grind that down right now, and my plan is to put this in here and then have this sit on top of it doing the same thing, and then I should have it not be able to, right now these springs can take all my weight sitting back here. However, the seat tends to flex, but they can take all my weight just being on them, so that's good. And hopefully it's a little bit nicer to ride now, having some sort of cushion other than just the air in the tires. I kind of want to weld pegs too or something back here so you can stand up easier while riding would be cool, but I'm not too sure what we're going to get into with this one. I'm kind of afraid that if I was riding with my feet up there and they slipped off, that's just asking to get hurt. But at the same time, it would be really nice. I just went to my spring bin and was looking around and found these other ones. They're not near strong enough, but they fit inside this spring, and so I think I'm going to use them like a dual valve spring, and that way they somewhat maybe help the other spring. Try and get as much crazy, I don't want it crazy stiff, but as stiff as possible, so that if someone heavier is riding it, at least they have suspension too. It's not sitting there bottomed out the whole time. Well, frame's all sanded down, and I brake cleaned it and wiped it down quick just to get rid of any paint. Well, here it is after the first coat. As you can see, very nice and orange. But I gotta call her a night for the night. So I'll be coming back tomorrow to finish. I know that's not ideal, but it is what it is. I work at 5:45 in the morning. Sorry about the pool pump running in the background. Here is the frame with 3 coats on it. Yeah, I'll turn the lights on as well. And now I'm just gonna shoot it with some clear coat real quick and let it dry, and I can still gotta sand the fenders. I got most of the forks done, but I still got a little bit to go, and I can throw it all back together. Just got the fenders all sanded down and gave them their first coat. Well guys, it's been a few days since I've been out to the shop, and that is due to the fact that I hurt my hand at work. I cut an artery and it was squirting all over the place. The injury is like on my pinky knuckle. Yeah, not a good time, but I got back out here tonight, started getting some work done. But yeah. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw, but I did add a sticker there. It says To Muffley's Automotive, name of the channel. Well guys, here she is, completely finished up. Ended up putting a normal throttle on there off of the red one that's back there. Yeah, I don't love the red tank on the orange frame, but it's whatever. Yeah, there you go. We have another little mini. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more mini bike videos. Hopefully we can get out to my brother's and I'll go rip some trails and get some better content riding this thing. I do need to get a new clutch on it. It definitely was sparking a lot and stuff. But yeah, she's all good to go now. The seat suspension design, after riding it a little bit, it definitely actually does help a lot. There you go.